Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be recapping the two stocks that I traded today. And to begin with, if we take a look at BABA and go on the yearly chart, BABA had a gap down, tried pushing down, and is now pushing to the upside. So taking a look at BABA, BABA pre-market was trending down, as you can see, started finding a support in this area, got rejected by VWAP and flushed. So once it had a massive push down, I've noticed that this was a breakdown, and people that shorted here got shook out once it started spiking to the upside. So it spiked to the upside, came down, and immediately got bought up. So this candle bought everything back up. So this was the confirmation of buyers were in control. Pushed to the upside, created a consolidation. As you can see, had a flush. So whoever was holding their stops too tight got shook out. I entered at 217.76. My original entry was going to be 217.84 with the risk is 217.50. I got it a little bit early once I saw this massive spike in volume. Had my risk down here, still the same, but this time I got in 4 cents earlier, so I was risking a little bit less. I got my 2 to 1. Once it hit 50 cents, just let it ride, and ended up getting stopped out for the rest of my shares. I didn't want to give back any profit. Made sure I had my 2R on the trade, and then we moved on. So taking a look at my second trade, PG. On PG, as we can see, had a flush and then started trending up pre-market. Now I think PG had a catalyst which caused it to gap down and is now filling the gap to the upside. So taking a look at PG, as you can see, once we got into the day, I've noticed that this stock respected VWAP once, respected it twice, and it was also making higher lows. So I was anticipating a move to the upside and possible breakout of 126.50, which was its massive resistance. So I let PG pull back to VWAP, bounce off VWAP, give me a confirmation that it's going to trend higher. And then I took a position, as you can see on the bottom right, at 126. So if we get a line and go 126, I had a very tight stop, about 10 cents. So I took this 10-cent risk, and I think I got about 3R out of it. So as you can see, it went up to all the way to the high of 126.40, which I was risking 10 cents. And it got up to 4R at one point. As you can see, it ended up stopping me out for some of my shares. I was going to let it ride. I took my partial. I was anticipating a move to the upside. It didn't have the move to the upside, so I got out for a 2R gain on this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, this trading recap today of January 23rd, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.